Other side, middle of the building. I know. Over there. Inside the building. All over there. One at their spawn. I don't want to hit him. Pull him back.
Where are they, Joe?
No joy on anything yet. Basically, a lot of them are in their spawn. Hey, was this semi-auto only? I hope it wasn't. Third room. Third room ahead of you. Okay, so we got one in the building over there.
To the left.
How close?
Pretty close. Behind the building.
Alright.
Want to get him?
Well, I want to get this guy who shot me.
Where's the spawn point? Right here.
Hey, we have one in there. One in there.
He's right there.
Okay.
Oh, Jax, that's us.
Where?
At the corner.
Oh, I see him. I'm dead. I guess you have 2 respawns, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine by me. If I get hit again, I'm dead. Just so you know.
Woo! Where we were just at.
Oh, hold on. Let me see
Let's
through this
go
hole.
there.
Got another one moving up behind him.
That's it for me. He's already out.
Yeah, no, he's out. Well, the other guy behind him. Need to look over here. I got this side.
You got hit, respawn, you got hit again, you respawn. Oh, please, so I got that one like that. Yeah. Somehow got confused about that.
Yeah, I heard 2 respawns, so.
Okay.
Got shot in the spawn once, so I got 1 more left.
I didn't get you too bad, right? Huh? I didn't get you too bad, right? No, I'm good. Alright, hey.
We come here to get shot.
It's funny because it's like, I tell everybody, look for the freaking center. Yes. Oh, we gotta move back up again. I know, I got him in the head. Who, me? Yeah. Yeah, like right here. You Someone got me right here in the shoulder. I didn't mean to get you guys that far. I thought there was one. That's fine. I don't really care. I come here to get shot.
Third room actually. Watch that side. Make sure you don't move up, all right?
Back up.
I got you covered.
Hey, right side building.
Where at? Okay.
Where's his salon?
All right, you got it. You guys see him? Okay.
Hey, Caesar, come to the right.
Got him. Might be another guy in there.
There's one in the salon.
Okay. I tagged a guy in there. I don't know if there's any more of them.
There's two that walked out.
Okay. Any others? You got it covered. I'm dead.